Hey everybody, this is Tamera Magee. I'm the Friendly Consumer Science Agent at the Franklin County Cooperative Extension Service. And today, this is our first video that I will be doing once a month called It's a Snap, where I'll be showcasing simple recipes, economical recipes that you can make at home. A lot of the recipes may come from our calendar. This is our 2021 calendar. I have recipes from previous calendars that I may showcase, but they'll be coming from this and from our Plated Up initiative. So today, what we're actually going to be making is a bacon and tomato dip. And it's very simple. You only need a few ingredients. You would need to have bacon, diced tomatoes, sour cream, and mayonnaise or salad dressing. I use salad dressing because I don't like mayonnaise, and it works just fine. So whichever you want to use, and then you'll use some garlic powder, and we'll mix it all together. Tomatoes. Spring is in the air and summer, so we'll be picking tomatoes or going to the farmer's market and picking up tomatoes. And you want to get a tomato that doesn't have very many or any blemishes. A firm tomato, you know, that is ripe, but for this, it needs to be textured enough to where when you slice it, it's not real juicy and juice is running everywhere, even though you can use some of the juice in the recipe. But you just want a nice, firm tomato. There's very few blemishes on this. I just bought this at Kroger's today, so you know, I'm not that crazy about store-bought tomatoes, but these weren't bad. I've tasted one of them. I sliced it up because I had to taste it myself and see what was what. But tomatoes are good for us. They have vitamins A and C and, of course, fiber, and they're low in calories. So this is going to be a pretty good recipe that you can serve with crackers or vegetables, which I'll show you later. And you can also serve it as just a snack, or if you're having those parties, it can just be one of your recipes for your party. Graduations are coming up, birthdays, and just whenever you feel like you want it. Because most of the time we may have these ingredients on hand. So I'm going to start putting the recipe together, and you can do it at home. Okay, so here we go. The first thing we're going to add to our bowl is our salad dressing or mayonnaise. It's 1 cup. The second thing we're going to add is the sour cream. We've got a cup of sour cream. Next, we have 2 cups of diced tomatoes. This tomato isn't real juicy, so I didn't really need to preserve any because it didn't make that much. So I think this will be just fine. So we've got our mayonnaise in there, or salad dressing, tomatoes, and sour cream. I'm just going to stir this up so it's mixed together very well. Okay. Now let's add our garlic powder. This is a teaspoon. If you don't like garlic, you don't have to use that. So we're stirring that up to this consistency. And what do you think we're going to add next? The bacon. By the way, guys, I hope you are doing well. I am doing this at home. I'm not at the office. So bear with me. Due to COVID, I'm in the office. Very little, actually. Doing most things from home, but I'm hoping to get back soon. So now I put the bacon in. The bacon smells so good. It smells like a BLT, actually. Bacon makes all things smell good, though. So, here we go. That's the consistency. We've got everything in there. So what's left? Well, how about we just put it in a nice bowl. It smells really good. Now we have our bacon tomato dip. We have some crackers. And what else? What else could we serve this with besides crackers? What do you think? Told you I'd be right back. Look at these veggies. Green pepper, rainbow carrots, purple, yellow, and orange carrots, orange bell pepper, celery, and more bell pepper, red. Just a colorful plate of veggies. And I think this is appealing to the eye. So if you didn't want to have crackers, you could just do veggies, or you could have both. And whatever you choose to do, I think your family and friends would enjoy it immensely. And it's very, very easy. As a matter of fact, it's a snap. See you next month.